Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from system of equations for the real values of a, b and c. Here we have to evaluate expression ABC. So let's get started by considering required expression is x. This would be equation 1. Here we will consider equation 2 and this we will call equation 3. So let me write here, let's say x equal to ABC. Now we are going to multiply all the three equations. 1 times 2 times 3. So we will write here a square, b square, c square times b plus c plus a plus b. In RHS, we will multiply 1 with 2 with 5. So we can write RHS would be 10. Now we are going to expand or multiply these two brackets. C plus a times a plus b. Let me write equation once. Here it is. Now using exponent law, we can write this is ABC whole square. Then we have b plus c. Now we are going to multiply these two brackets first. So c times a, AC or CA, c times b, BC, a times a square, a times b, AB equal to 10. Now we will multiply these two brackets. This is our x, so we can write x square. Now we will multiply b plus c with the product bracket. B times AC, we will write ABC. B times BC, we will write b square c. B times a square, we will write a square b. And b times AB, we will get AB square plus c times AC is AC square. C times BC is BC square. C times a square is a square c. And c times AB is ABC. RHS is 10. Now ABC, ABC. We will write here x square in the bracket twice ABC plus from a square b term and a square c term, we will take a square common. So in the bracket we can write b plus c plus from AB square term and from the term b square c, we will take b square common out. So in the bracket we can write c plus a. Then we have AC square and BC square term. From there we will take c square common. In the bracket we can write a plus b. RHS is 10. Now ABC is x. So we can write x square times 2x. This is our equation number 1, value will be 1. This is our equation number 2, value will be 2. This is our equation number 3, value will be 5. So I will write plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 10. Or I can write x square in the bracket 2x plus 8 equal to 10. X square in the bracket 2x plus 8 equal to 10. Now we can take 2 common from this bracket. We will get 2 times x square x plus 4 equal to 10. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So from LHS we will cancel 2 and 2 from numerator denominator. 10 over 2 is 5. So we will get x square times x plus 4 equal to 5. Or x cube plus 4x square equal to 5. Or we will write here one cubic equation, x cube plus 4x square minus 5 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. If I will plug in x equal to 1 here, simply by putting x equal to 1, we are going to get 1 plus 4 minus 5, which is satisfying our equation. So we will say x equal to 1 is one solution to this cubic equation. Now we can use synthetic division method easily. Let me write equation here with our base solution x equal to 1. So x cube plus 4x square minus 5 equal to 0, and our base solution is x equal to 1. We can use synthetic division method easily. Let us write all the coefficients of cubic equation. Coefficient of x cube is 1, x square is 4, x is not there, so we will write 0, constant is negative 5. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is, we will write here 1. Now our base solution will be multiplied with this leading coefficient 1. 1 times 1, we will write product here. Then we have to add these two numbers, we will get 5. Again 1 times 5 will give us 5. Addition of these two will give us 5 once again. 1 times 5 is 5. Once we will add these two, we are going to get sum 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. In x, we will write x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. So I can write coefficient of x square as a. Let me write in capital letters. So I will write here capital A equal to 1. Capital B equal to coefficient of x 5. Capital C equal to constant 5. Our formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values we will get. Let me write equation once, x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. X will be equal to minus b. So minus 5 plus minus square root of b square. So 5 square minus 4 times ac. A is 1, c is 5 over 2 times a. 2 times 1 will be equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 square is 25, 4 times 5 is 20 over 2 times 1 is 2. So we will be getting minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. And x is our expression ABC. Required expression is x. So we have three solutions, three answers for ABC. x1 equal to 1, which is our base solution. x2 equal to minus 5 plus square root 5 over 2, and x3 equal to minus 5 minus square root 5 over 2. So there are three values of A, B and C. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.